Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I hope you guys are doing great. And it's been a while. Yeah, it's been a few weeks since I haven't really uploaded any video. And, I've been busy with my midterms and my university life and so on. I've been trying to catch up there. But now I am back and I'm hoping I will be uploading videos from time to time. So yeah, I would just like to apologize for that, for the late uploads lately. Anyways, before I move on, just a short introduction about myself. What is this channel about? If you guys are new, I make videos about Discord, the tutorials, tips, and tricks, everything related to Discord, from the very basic steps to advanced levels. And yeah, so if you are someone who are interested to learn more about Discord or improve your server or so, then make sure to subscribe below and leave a like to this video. And as well, leave a comment below if you have any specific topic you want me to talk about. So let's head into today's topic. So today we're going to talk about on how to delete your Discord account permanently. Now, if you have made up your mind and you wish to delete your account permanently, then it is very simple and easy, which is why the video is really short. So to delete your account, you have to go here down at your settings and then my account, which is the very first tab. And then you scroll all the way below down here and you will see two options. The first one is disable account and the second one is delete account. So you click on delete account. Now, this is the basic pop-up which you will get where you will be asked to insert your password and just for the confirmation that it is actually you and you wish to delete your Discord account. And if you are actually having two-factor authentication enabled, then in that way you will be asked for a 6-digit 2FA code which you will have to enter in order to delete your Discord account. Now there is one thing that sometimes you will not see this pop-up and instead you will see a pop-up that says you own a server, and that is because you actually own a server. And there are two ways you can get away from that. And in order to get away from this pop-up, which basically means you cannot really delete your Discord account unless you get rid of your servers. So there are two things which you can do. The first thing is you delete the server itself, or the second option is you can transfer the ownership to someone else. So once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here again with the two-factor authenticator if you are having that enabled, and then you just insert your password and you click delete account. So that is basically how you delete your account. Anyways, that's the very short tutorial for today. Thank you everyone for watching. I will make sure to keep you guys entertained and keep you guys up to date with new tutorials now. I'm really sorry for the delay of the uploads. I've been busy lately a lot, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching and enjoy your moments. See ya.